Hello and welcome. Today we are trying to dye my hair copper again. Last time this did not work out very well. It ended up being just very bright red, well, kind of a bright red, a little bit of an orangey color, but this time I'm going to use actual copper dye and hope that it turns out actually copper. My hair is pretty faded. There's maybe a little bit of still some greenish, purplish colors here and there, but otherwise it's fairly faded. And I'm not going to care too much about the top part. As you can see, my hair is really oily. It's really hard to plan stuff out when you've got, like, when did I record this? 2 months ago, I think my baby was only like 2 months old, maybe 3 months old when I recorded this. It's been a minute. Yeah, there's not as much free time anymore. So I kind of just had to go with it and hope for the best, but I also really didn't care about how the top part turned out because I figured that the color is not really going to show up on non-unbleached dark hair anyways.
Mr. Cutie Patootie. What you doing? What you doing? What do you think I'm doing?
Mommy's making a mess.
What do you mean I'm making a mess?
So yeah, there he is in all his cuteness. Sorry you don't get to see him. Not going to be showing his face. But yeah, so I'm just really saturating the ends, but I'm going to do the top part, but I don't really care too much if it doesn't, come out evenly, because I don't think it's going to last on the unbleached parts anyways.
I'm missing blonde parts.
This piece.
I get it?
Like this. You grab a piece of it, yeah.
Now that I look ridiculous, I'm gonna go let this sit for about 30, it was either 15 or 30 minutes, I don't remember. Let it sit for a while and then wash it out. This is what it looks like wet, and it's definitely more on the copper side, and this is dry. It's very purpley. Was not expecting it to have such a purple undertone. After a couple washes, it did come out much more actually copper, so this one was actually a success. I didn't get any pictures of it when it was like truly copper though, because it did not last long at all. But thank you so much for watching. I think my next hair dye adventure is going to be much more adventurous, so stick around for that. But thank you again, and I hope you have a magical day. Bye!